Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and another video here today. So today we're going to be unboxing the DRK Advent Calendar, which I got from the November Polish Pickup. I did try to get the Sparkle and Shine Advent Calendar. That's originally what I was going to be posting today, but it sold out in like half a second, and so I didn't get that one. And then I saw this and I was like, you know what? Let's do that. That'll be fun. It's different. It's kind of interesting. So I'm going to be opening every single day in this calendar. At this point, I think you've probably opened most of yours if you did get this one. However, if you don't want any spoilers, exit out of the video now. I don't want to ruin anybody's fun. Real quick before we crack into this though, this went on sale on November 4th for the, like I said, the November Polish Pickup. It was capped at, I think there were 100 available. It cost $59. However, the contents are supposed to be 2 to 3 packets of pigments per day, plus some base and mixing tools. And she said there's going to be 2 new reflective glitter pigments that are new to her store, and I think they're in here as well. I'm not sure now that I think back on the wording of it. I don't know. We'll find out. But I thought this would be really fun to play around with and unbox. And then I've mentioned that next year I do want to get into streaming a little bit, just maybe once, maybe twice a month. And I thought we could do some mix-alongs. So it came in this little plastic box. And I think this will be good to just put stuff right back in, because if you've ever played with nail polish pigments, this stuff gets everywhere, whether you like it or not. It is going to get all over your hands. So let's it's so nicely wrapped. This is kind of like a little instruction type thing, just to kind of give you a primer. It gives you some good ideas on what goes well together, what may not work as well together. And I really like that, because this is stuff that really comes from trial and error. And so for someone to just give you a little cheat sheet, that's perfect. I showed this in my mix along video before, so we won't get too in depth into that. We got 110 milliliters of suspension base, which is quite a bit. They gave us a mixing cup, 2 spoons. I'm not going to break them this time. This little mixer stick guy, which we're going to set off to the side. Some liquid pigment, which I've never used personally. Actually, no, I did when I made a polish with Happy Hillary's nails. I'm obsessed with these bottles. These bottles feel fun. You guys, I can't get the bag open. Okay. I am gonna assume these don't go with any particular day. They're a really hard, I like that. So this is a liquid pigment. It says Hollow Microflakes. And then we have Admiral Blue, which is really pretty. I'm going to put them back in the bag because I feel like they were in this bag for a reason. Okay, so I took everything out of those crinkly bags, and it looks like we have 12 Days of Christmas here, and each packet has a little sticker that kind of goes with the song. So we have pear tree, couple doves, 3 hens. I forgot number 4. There's birds on there. I don't know this song. I don't like that song. It's too long. You got to sing for 10 years. But it's a cute touch, okay? So let us open day number 1. And these packets are really pretty. I don't like ripping stickers, but we might have to at some point. Okay, so day number 1 came with magnetic mini flake called Magic Tree, and then a reflective glitter in flamingo pink. That one looks fun. As you can see, like I said, pigment just gets everywhere. The fun thing about magnetic pigment is it literally will stick to your magnet. I mean, that's kind of the point, right? It looks like it's kind of a greeny gold flip, so that's exciting. I've already got glitter all over my hands. So the cool thing about this too is every day comes with a recipe if you want to try it out. And it's even got some tips. That's really cool. I like that. And it gives you just some little interesting information. So I think that every day does come with a recipe. I'm pretty sure that's what it said. And this first day came with 2 pigments. Now, these bags look kind of small, but trust me when I say a little goes a long way with this stuff. And especially when you don't really know what you like or want when it comes to mixing your own polishes, these little sampler type bags are the perfect way to figure that out. Okay, day 2, which would be 2 turtle doves. Okay, this one only had 1 pigment in it. Okay, so that means that it looks like the liquid pigment is supposed to be part of this one. So it has a glitter mix called Bright Star. Maybe I should hold these closer to the camera so you guys can see. So it's kind of like a lighter gold. It's got some really tiny like micro glitters in there, some mini glitters, and then some larger hex glitters. And then it also, I guess the Admiral Blue is the one that goes with this one. And it tells you how to make jelly polishes, which is pretty cool. And then for day one, just because I didn't show the close-up, here's Flamingo Pink, and here is Magic Tree. Guys, I gotta film a swatch video after this, and I'm gonna be covered in glitter. Okay, day 3. Feels like there's something kind of chunky in there. I'm gonna rip all these bags, aren't I? Okay, this is Aurora Candy, and it's called Gingerbread. It's kind of hard to see in the package, but it's like a pinky red Aurora shimmer. I wonder what makes like the decision between putting it in this container versus a little baggie. I don't know. Put that back in there. And it says that you can use the Admiral liquid pigment, that blue. Day number 4. What is day number 4? I can't remember. This is making me annoyed. Oh, it's 4 calling birds. That, I guess they're just gonna squawk at you. Okay, let's see here. I like this iridescent white bag. This is fun. Okay, there's the recipe. Feels like there's 2 things in here. Ooh, okay. You guys, these bags are hard to open for me because my nails they're not even that long, but it's hard. Okay, we've got a hollow silver pigment called 'Tis the Season. And then this is a Chameleon Ultra Micro called Aventurine, and it's like a orangey red. It looks like the recipe is for like a multi-chrome / holographic. And the cool thing is you don't have to follow these recipes. You can literally do what you want. Who's gonna call you? Like, who's gonna get on your case? The cops? I don't think so. It's like nice to have the recipes too, just in case you don't know where to start. 'Cause sometimes having all this stuff can be a little bit overwhelming. And then, oh yeah, this is day 5. For 5 golden rings. I hated the part of that song when I was a kid because I didn't like that the weird like tone change, like the way you sing. I don't know why that bothered me so much as a child. All right, so day 5. Okay, we've got glow in the dark white purple, and it also came with these pastel mini flakes in blue called Best Wishes. Now, it comes with your glow-in-the-dark recipe. The last time I made a glow-in-the-dark, I felt nauseous because the scent of the glow-in-the-dark pigment is quite strong, but I have since learned that I just used too much pigment because I was being over the top, and if I had used less, it probably wouldn't have been so bad. Day number 6 for 6 geese a-laying. Oh my gosh, there's a lot in here. Ooh, we got 3 plus a recipe. Okay. Ooh, I love this. So we have a chartreuse reflective glitter. This is called Crystal, and it says it's orange red. I don't know what that does. And then we have more pastel mini flakes, but this time in green, and this one is called Hugs and Kisses. I think maybe this is just powder pigment to change the color of your polish, but we got 2 green items and a red. And the recipe is for a red flaky reflective. Day 7 is Swans a Swimmin'. Ooh, I like these. Okay, we've got multicolor mini flake. This one's called Lights and Candles. And there looks to be a couple kind of shades of purple reflecting in there. As well as we have this one called It's Cold Outside. It's Chameleon. It's kind of like a periwinkle type color. I like this quite a lot. Day number 8 for 8 Maids a Milkin'. Have you guys ever milked a cow? Is that a weird question? I thought that was just like a normal life experience. And then one time I was at like my first professional job, and somebody said something about like milking a cow. And I was like, "You've never milked a cow?" And everybody looked at me like I was crazy. And I was like, "Oh, I guess we didn't all grow up in the farmland." Okay, looks like we got 2. Ooh, okay. A thermal glitter. So we have sparkling red thermal, and we have special mix candy cane. So I don't know if you guys can see, it looks like there's like red and some hollow silver in there. Oh my gosh, my hands. Rip. I wonder what this thermal like changes into though. It doesn't say. Ooh, you can see some like shimmery glitter in there as well. Day number 9, we have 9 ladies dancing. Oh my gosh, I got giant hands. Put the recipe aside. Let's not look at that yet. We have Merry and Bright, which is kind of a blue and I think some silver or like a super light blue glitter mix. And then we have a multi-chrome powder. I think you guys can kind of see it through the bag. It's called Ho Ho Ho, and it is like green, and I'm not sure what it flips to. Probably it'll be easier to see when it's suspended in some kind of liquid base. And it gives you a reflective multi-chrome recipe. We got 3 more days, so day number 10. Okay, so this one has a gold extravaganza recipe. So we have, oh, day 10 was Lord's a Leapin', by the way, if anybody is following along here. So yeah, we have the glitter mix called Nutcracker Soldier. It looks like it's red, kind of a coppery gold, some blue, and some silver micro glitter maybe. And then we have gold extravaganza. And I think this is, it looks like it's very gold. Like it looks like it's going to turn your whole polish gold. Day 11, which is Piper's Piping. This has a purple hollow reflective glitter. And ooh, I like this. This one's an Aurora candy and it's called wrapping paper. And it's kind of a similar like periwinkle type, but I wonder what this one has like some kind of flip to it. So very cool. I made a mess. And then day 12 is Drummer's Drumming. This is the final one. Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh, I've ripped like every single bag. Okay, we got more of those pastel mini flakes. This one is like a kind of indigo, and this is called Peace on Earth. And then this is Aurora Sparkling Snow. Looks like, I don't know, some kind of gray with like a bluish purple flip maybe. It's, like I said, some of these it's hard to tell until you actually like put some liquid on them. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of categorize these so we can see more clearly what we got. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff here, so I can't fit it all in the camera, but in total we got 3 reflective glitters, 3 pastel mini flakes, this 1 chameleon, 1 glow in the dark, 3 glitter mixes, 1 thermal, 1 special mix, 1 magnetic, 1 crystal. I don't totally know what that is. I'll have to look that up. 1 multicolor mini flake, and then this gold extravaganza. It doesn't really say like what the type is, so I'm not sure. I think maybe it's some kind of metallic. We got 2 liquid pigments, a multichrome powder, a holographic powder, the chameleon ultra micro flake or powder here. We got the Aurora candy and then 2 regular Auroras. So in total, with everything right here, we got 25 ingredients after I just counted all them up. Plus the suspension base, 12 recipes, and the mixing supplies. Now, I really like this concept for an advent calendar. I think it's really creative and really fun. The one issue that I do have, however, is when this listing was posted just on the Polish Pickup page on Facebook, the maker had said that this was going to have 2 to 3 ingredients per package, which wasn't totally the case. There was a couple that had a single, or maybe there was only 1. But also, it said that this is going to be a more expensive package, solely because it's going to have more than 30 ingredients. And I'm looking at the post right now on the Facebook page. It does say it's supposed to have more than 30 ingredients, but it has 25. So I don't know. Like that was a little bit, I feel a little bit misled in that way. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 25. Yeah. I didn't miscount. I don't know what's going on with that. Like, it just feels kind of like why did you say one thing and then do another? Because if they had said like, oh, there's gonna be only 25, that's fine. Like, I just want to know because I bought this based on the concept that there was gonna be 30, but there's not. So aside from that, I guess I do like this and I am excited to use it. I'm gonna do, like I said, streams next year. So if you guys are interested in that, like sound off below. I'm gonna do mixing streams. I am finally gonna try that Baroness X polish maybe on stream. But if there's any other types of streams you guys want to see from me, let me know. And let me know also if you did pick this up and if you got the same pigments as me and the same number of pigments as me, because I just want to know, like, did I misread something? I guess I'm not really sure. But yeah, that is going to be it for me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.